Among the various types of mass transportation, railway transport is most important. Most people take trains to travel to different destinations because of their large capacities, suitability for long journeys, lack of traffic jams, and safety and stability. While aboard trains, passengers need access to the internet, travel information, and audiovisual entertainment. A new generation of application designed for smart trains is here to meet various passenger demands. NEXCOM plays an important role in the field of smart railway applications and promotes many key technologies. Let's see what solutions NEXCOM offers. We use our 5G, Wi-Fi, storage, and display technologies to provide infotainment systems for trains, which includes deploying wireless gateways for passengers to use the internet, installing media servers, whose large capacities can allow passengers to watch videos and play advertisements, setting up passenger information systems, PIS, on panel computer screens to provide advertising and arrival information, deploying wireless gateways for passengers to use the internet. Wireless gateways employ a multi-module design so that multiple wireless 5G, LTE, and Wi-Fi 6 modules can work simultaneously. They also provide larger bandwidth, enabling more passengers to use the internet simultaneously and at faster speeds. Each module uses 2 SIM cards for connection. If one card becomes disconnected or connection quality is poor, the modem can switch to another telecom provider by using another SIM card or module. Each 5G module requires at least 4 antennas, so each system must be capable of supporting multiple antennas. Deploying onboard media servers for passengers to watch movies on demand. We support 10 gigabit fiber networks, which provide passengers the large bandwidth needed to watch high-definition videos simultaneously. 6 SSDs provide the capacity needed for high-definition video storage. RAID 0, 1, 5, and 10 means secure storage, avoiding data loss and damage. Setting up passenger information systems, PIS, to provide advertising and arrival information via open frame panel computer. The system's open frame design is compatible with a variety of installation requirements. It contains multiple video outputs to provide multi-displays and reduce TCO. It's also customizable for various display sizes to present different types of content. Based on the scale of your wireless gateway architectural needs, NEXCOM provides 3 different solutions. NEXCOM also provides 3 distinct platforms depending on the scale of your media server needs. Finally, NEXCOM provides an open frame panel computer and players specifically designed to deploy passenger information systems, PIS. We have the passion and mission to keep moving forward, to make railway transportation more convenient while meeting the needs of more passengers, to promote the development of smart railways, connect our digital and wireless lives, and create a future with infinite possibilities. Always moving forward.